Hello! Today we will cook healthy foods. Gawin niyo ito sa inyong fruit, siguradong mapapawaw kayo sa sarap. A fish, add some white pepper, salt, then just mix it. Warm pan with oil. So then fry the fish when the oil is already hot. Both sides. Few minutes because fish is easy to cook. So now it's cooked. Put it beside. Then fry the onion and the garlic. Until little bit brown and smells good. It smells like onion and garlic. I add some olive oil because I think lacking. Na 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 na. So now add the paprika and the ginger. Cook it for a few minutes or fry it. Na 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 na. Cook with love so your food is fine. Add first the broccoli. I only have broccoli and tomato in my kitchen. I just took what I have. Then add some water, little bit water, not the whole cups. Just until the broccoli half cook. Add some vegetable broth cubes. until half cooked. So now it's okay. Add the tomato. Don't overcook the tomato. Then add the curry powder. Powder is healthy. Black pepper. Add some salt. According to your taste, I just estimate. Paprika powder. Mix it well. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. Mix, 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 mix it well. Covered. Wait for 3 minutes. Dong, ding, dong, ding, dong. Add the fruits: apple, pineapple, and the banana. Add the coconut milk. I have some rest from last time, so I just add there. I just use all coconut milk until it covers the whole. Mix it well. This is healthy and delicious. Then cover it again. Just wait until it boils the coconut milk. So, just don't overcook. Now, let's try. Let's taste. For me, I want some more curry. It depends or according to your taste, you can add some more spices. I don't have the right measurement because I like estimate according to my taste. At the end, add the fish. Fish, 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 fish. Yummy, yummy. Delicious. Delicious, healthylicious, yummylicious. So, that's it. Ready to eat. Let's go. Babush, thank you very much.